Hey, this is Linux. Linux is everything. Today we are going to look at what Linux is. So, what is Linux? Linux is an open source Unix like operating system. The kernel created by Linus Torvald in 1991. Linux is an operating system kernel is the core part of the operating system, managing the hardware resources and providing essential services to high-level software. Linux is the heart of various Linux distributions or distros like Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, and many others. Just like the car, what distinguishes Linux is its open source nature, allowing anyone to modify and distribute it under the terms of the GNU, that is the General Public License. This open approach has fostered a vibrant community of developers and users who distribute it, who contribute to its development and offer a wide range of distribution tailored for different purposes and use preferences. Now, what about Linux? Linux is renowned for its stability, security, and flexibility. It is widely used in various devices from servers to smartphones, embedded systems, and even supercomputers. Additionally, it's highly customizable, providing users with a high level of control over their systems, making it a popular choice for developers and programmers and IT professionals. Now let us look at the distros. The distro simply means the distributions, that is the various type of Linux operating systems we have. Just as it's open source, if you are good at it, you can just download, the kernel and do whatever you want to do with it. Now, we have Ubuntu, which is a type of distro. And this is known for its user-friendliness and vast community support. Ubuntu is based on Debian. It has different flavors designed for various purposes, such as Ubuntu Desktop, Ubuntu Server, and Ubuntu for Internet of Things. Debian. This distribution is known for its stability and commitment to free software principles. It serves as the base for many other Linux distributions, including Ubuntu. Fedora, sponsored by Red Hat. Fedora is recognized for being on the cutting edge of open source technologies. It is a great choice for developers and tech enthusiasts. CentOS or CentOS, derived from Red Hat Enterprise Linux, that is real. CentOS is known for its stability and is often used for server environment due to its long-term support. One thing I also want you to know about Linux is that Linux is kind of robust. Linux can run on a machine for years. As long as there is no power off, Linux will run. And most often you don't need to restart a Linux machine in order to install an application or something. So Linux is very, very robust. And 99% of the Internet of Things, servers, our phones, and whatnot all runs on Linux. So therefore, it is very important for one to, have knowledge in Linux, be able to use it, be able to administer it, since everything, runs on Linux. The cloud is on Linux. So that is all we have for today. The next class, we're going to just talk a little bit about the structure or the parts, what makes actually the Linux run, what the components of the Linux operating system. And then after that, we'll be looking at how the operating system looks like, a desktop, the friendly desktop nature, just like Windows. And then we'll also look at the terminal. And the terminal is just a black screen or a customized screen color you want, that is used to manipulate the system. And it's very robust, as I said. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.